So we're going to get our orange paper and write our name and room number in the center on the back. Then flip your paper to the front, and we're going to draw a line down the middle, nice and light but pretty long. Then we're going to take from the top and draw a curved line to the bottom of the line, top to bottom. Kind of looks like a coffee bean. Then we're going to do it again and go out a little farther this time. Top to the bottom. Every time you want to meet at the bottom and start at the top. So I'm going to do another one. Top and then go out to the bottom. I want to go almost to the edges of the paper. So I'm going to do one more going all the way to the edge. Again, each time starting at the top and going to the bottom of the paper. When I'm finished, I'm going to check this with the teacher. And then the next step will be to take a white crayon and trace over your pencil lines. Taking your time, you do need to push kind of hard so that the white crayon will show up. Then you're going to check with the teacher. If you're ready, we are going to cut our pumpkin out. So we're going to take our scissors with thumbs up and begin cutting on that outside pencil line. Taking your time, nice smooth cutting. We are getting all this cutting practice while we work on these pumpkins. When you get to the point, just go down and then back up on that line again. Then you can put your orange scraps in the scrap box. And then the next step is to work on our eyes. So we're going to draw 2 large circles to fill up the white paper, very big. So draw them large. Then we're going to cut them. Again, more cutting practice. You turn the paper as you open and close the scissors. And remember, we are still having thumbs up, so thumb faces the ceiling. When we're finished cutting these, you can recycle your white paper scraps in the blue can. Then the next step is we're going to glue these on. Your glue sticks are in your caddy. Now, this is the side that has the pencil on it, so I'm going to put glue on that side of the circle. And then depending on where you want your eyes, stick those on. This side has pencil on it, so I'm going to put glue on it. Stick those down. Then the next step is to do the black part of the eye, which is the pupils. Again, I'm going to draw big circles on there, and then I'm going to cut those out. Again, this is a reminder when we put glue on the backs of our papers, it should be the side that shows the pencil. That way when we glue it, we don't see the pencil on the good side of the paper. So glue on the pencil side. And then you want to decide where you want your eyes. Do you want them looking to the top, the bottom, over to the other side? Do you want them different directions? So this one I'm going to have that one looking up that way. Again, glue on the back of my black circle, stick it down. And then the next step will be to do a mouth. So here's your black paper for the mouth. We're going to do a semicircle or a half circle. So something like that. Then you're going to cut. And again, this is the pencil side, so that's the side I'm going to want my glue on. So you want to glue that down, stick it down nice and tight, and then we'll stick these on the drying rack until next class.